literally in my head, it was like this thing was bottle. Every time I thought about coming back, I was like, no. Even now, like this whole shoot, like I had such a hard time trying to mentally put myself back in a place where I have like a crew and my cameras following me around was really hard. So hopefully this is like a restart, and I'm gonna try.
Immerse yourself in the tradition of chivalry at the Vermont Renaissance Fair, June 25th and 26th in Stowe. There will be jousting, battling knights, ladies who are not in distress, and medieval
what should I do?
and entertainment. Get tickets at the gate or online at vtgatherings.com. The Vermont Renaissance Fair, June 25th and 26th. Kid-friendly,
Maple Flyer, Northwest Couple, or Northwest Auto, Minnesota Star.
During rush hour, and a nanny to a couple of rambunctious kids. Now, all that experience has led her to a job that feels like home. With Homestead, you too can become a caregiver to older adults. With a career
Jeez,
that
this is
makes
hard.
a difference.
This is a hard decision.
Apply today.
Waterfall.
And my car is dented.
Geico does offer 24/7 claim service.
24/7? That's a lot of attention.
They're not actually with you 24/7. They're just available whenever you need them.
Okay, because I'm an introvert. It's incredibly rare.
I don't think that's right.
Geico. So I'm a beachside hotel. As you can see, I'm pretty relaxed.
Okay, I don't know when
brag,
the
but
audio
I do have
is.
multiple pools. I'm looking for someone who likes sand and sun. Active types are cool. I know a lot of fun spots.
Okay,
If
don't
you have
hear any
kids, great.
audio.
I'm great with kids.
That's okay.
And yeah, that's me. Beachside Hotel.
Hey guys, welcome to the neighborhood.
Yeah. There goes our new neighbor.
Honey? Definitely getting new countertops. And we need shades right now.
Where I can sort of hear audio.
No regrets.
Want to go someplace new? Yeah, you do.
See something new.
Learn something new.
Meet someone.
I can hear audio just a little bit.
There's always something new under the sun. CBS Mornings, weekdays.
Train's traveling super. The train is traveling super fast. There was nothing to stop it. The train consisted of Amtrak Cascades, locomotive 144 in the front, and 3566 in the back.
Rotate this. It's easier for you than you rotating your wrist. You know what I'm saying?
All in with 7 cars.
Oh, you guys are doing good back here. Anybody need help with the icing? I'm seeing some of your cakes, y'all. They're looking beautiful. They're looking beautiful. Y'all got me proud up in here.
Ooh, girl.
Using my cake everywhere, frosting everywhere. I'm happy Mom got her little day.
It is nice.
It's cute. It's going good.
It's cool for a first rodeo, though.
Yeah.
See, Bart slid through.
He wanted to show up her mom.
Oh, that's good. It was good to see him.
Yeah.
I ain't seen him in a minute. At least you a little better moves than last time. Cause girl, when you flipped that hair and walked out with that beret, you had me tear up though a little bit. You was all crying, and I was like, I was sad too.
When you're with somebody and you don't really know what
And
you guys
then-
are, how you guys are, it's just a frustrating topic. And when you're married, that should not be.
Right, 'cause it's the part of you like you started something serious and you don't want to just give
Kinda
up on it. You
will.
feel like you failed.
One day you hate them, next day you love them. So I feel like the best way is to say I don't know
The train
versus
had a
flip-flopping back and
devastating
forth.
crash.
I mean, that's fair.
Where the main goal is taken care of. How?
25
And I'm
people
happy that I have
died.
somebody in that who like wants to be a dad, is an attentive
The
dad.
train.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all was always good with how
It was
y'all was good.
absolutely
Now y'all too
obliterated.
A
got
mess.
some work to do.
I think we should try therapy. We're not gonna make no
If you want to
calls,
hear
no
about
judgments.
another
We'll start
bad
therapy.
crash, it was from the Toronto King.
Keep in mind, there's boundaries that therapy needs to be put in place. You know. establish them boundaries, and then it has to be like a path of moving forward, and not like doubling back. And if you're gonna be with him, you gotta forgive too. That's another thing.
That's what I'm saying. I feel like certain conversations you should leave for therapy. When you have a kid and that kid adores the other parent,
Okay.
and it's just like,
True, but those little moments is what make you stick together.
and that's what I'm saying.
If you feel that, to still fight for it, fight for it. You're gonna know when you're done. That's all I got to say.
We can take time for us to see if this is gonna be.
The train.
Even though my mom
It
isn't
started
going
to
to jail
accelerate,
anymore, I'm still
but-
not letting her
but
come around
wasn't
because the
doing
tension
so
between us
bad.
isn't good for Chloe. Sean's been in rehab for 2 months, and we talk once a week. And I decided to start looking for
The
houses
train
for
went to
sale.
100 miles an hour.
To cut to the 6 hours, well worth it. Your back hurts still? You have to stop doing those flips. We're gonna take you to gymnastics and you can do flips. She wants to do gymnastics. So I went and looked at a house. Super cute house. It's pretty small, but
So-
I like the vibe of it. I like the area. The schooling's really good. So I talked to the owner there and I put in a cash offer to him.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, and he accepted
Big
the
bank.
offer. So the next step would pretty much be doing like all the closing
Yeah,
paperwork. So I'm hoping that
Oh, that's so exciting.
it doesn't
train
sound
was
too good to be
traveling
true. You know how we have it. So in my head,
really
I'm like,
fast.
oh yeah, I'm excited. But then I'm also like, well, not until the paperwork's signed am I going to be like, this is my house,
Yeah.
you know?
Oh, that's awesome. So have you told Sean that you're working on closing?
I haven't told him anything yet.
You really don't get to talk to him, like,
Right.
are you excited to tell him?
Yeah, I am. Sad though. She misses Sean. She's been asking about Sean a lot. I think lately more though, she's starting to realize that he hasn't
Dang.
been around.
Do you know when Sean's coming back?
A
I'm not
switch
sure the exact
malfunction.
date, but
Or maybe it's
if he
not.
finished just that
A switch
program, it would be right
malfunction.
before Thanksgiving. But
Oh dang, I was on the wrong
I'm
track.
not sure.
I can't find a good place to crash this
Being a
thing.
single mom,
The birds.
the birds. But you're growing a lot. You didn't think you could do it, but it's been a few months.
I think with having a child,
Then
stability is so
without
important. Like
warning,
having a stable home,
the
a
train
stable life
exploded.
gives her more stability. Because I think growing up, we moved so much all the time.
That
I
wasn't
didn't have
good.
that
Same.
home stability. So I'm excited. I would go to get my kids
You're
something
doing so much
I
without,
didn't have.
yeah, by yourself.
Yeah, I never had that as a kid. I'd be the first person in my whole family to be a home.
If you want
So
to
I
hear
think
about
that
the
that's
worst
something
crash
that's big for
ever
me
heard,
as a parent.
that would have to go to
Seriously, guys, isn't it strange that with all of us in this giant Sirius XM house with like
what
100
the
bedrooms,
Horizon Express.
Court for Kevin Hart.
and only one
The
bed?
top speed of that train is 175.
Oh, I'm gonna be late for my show. It's Brett Bubble time. Hurry up! You're not the only host that lives here, Brett.
Finally, I get a girls' night out. Ready? Go!
The train was starting to leave.
074.
First place bingo! Millions of players have discovered the world with Bingo Blitz. Download now and enjoy the ride.
Oh gosh, I forgot I was watching an ad.
Isn't it
The
disappointing
train
when
was
your
already
loving
traveling
fades?
almost 100 miles
Once
an
that
hour.
freshness goes away, you're left thinking, okay, now what? Febreze Fade to 5 Plug works differently. It's the
They were
first
over
plug-in
100
technology to digitally
when they
control
realized they
how
were
much census release
speeding
to
way
smell
too.
first
They
day
were going
fresh
way
for
too
50
fast.
days. It even
They
tells you
weren't.
when it's
They were
ready
at
to be refilled.
150 now. And I knew they wouldn't make this turn. And they
I've been
did.
telling everyone, the secret to great teeth is having healthy gums. Keep
And
yours
then
healthy with Crest Advanced Gum
it
Restore.
was getting
It's
flung
clinically proven to
across.
detoxify below the gum
But
line.
the train was
And
still
restores by helping
sort
heal
of
gums in as little
accelerating.
as 7 days.
How was this possible?
Because you can't have a healthy smile without healthy gums. Advanced Gum Restore from Crest, the #1 toothpaste brand in America.
But if it didn't get caught, it wouldn't get caught right on the sign.
When Robbie coming back? Robbie.
Whether it's a year old or a few years old, we will buy your car. So go to Carvana, enter your license plate, answer a few questions,
I
and our
didn't
techno
know.
wizardry
Yeah, so it's
calculates
just
your
us
car
tonight.
value and gives you a real offer in seconds. When you're ready, we'll come
It
to you,
was
pay you on the spot, and pick
the
up your car.
worst
That's
steam
it.
train
So ditch
crash.
the old way of selling your car and say hello to the new way at Carvana.
To bring us back, the MVPs are reuniting. This is the first time I've seen Leisha
Go
in 3
to a
years.
West Melvick train.
You gotta keep it low.
Oh gosh. Didn't mean to do that.
Basketball Wives new season premieres Monday, May 16th.
Beckham, do you want more pizza? Or are you good?
I'm good.
Jalen lives 8 hours away, and it's hard for me to visit him with all of my responsibilities. So he tries to come up every week.
Hi. How you doing? You look good. You are. Necklace to you. Costa Rica, thank you.
This thing is just so like, I can put it with anything I put on. I'll probably come down on Thursday.
Alright, so good. I miss you.
Train was almost at 100. But we got to 100 now.
Love your hat. I love you too.
Hey, what's working on? Oh, yeah.
So many emails to answer.
How's that going?
Oh, I know it's going. Yeah, so Costa Rica was so much fun.
It was a lot of fun. It was kind of emotional a little bit because we talked a lot about
Everything.
everything about your kids. So let's just keep what we got going and build off of it.
Do you think that this will continue to be a long distance relationship?
I have a new job possibility that will let me move closer.
It's not always gonna be easy, especially with kids. I mean, since we are exclusive now, I think my daughters deserve to see who's making their mama smile. They are gonna push you through the test. They're very strong-willed little ladies, and I love it. It's hard to date as a mom and be exclusive with someone and your kids not be involved. It's almost like impossible. So after we became exclusive, I feel confident enough in my decision for them to meet Jalen. I think that's a big step, but I don't want to put too much pressure on that. So I
And then
think
the
that we're just gonna go
boiler
with the flow.
exploded.
After family reunion, I'm trying to give Devon more of a chance to be there for No